Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope we are doing good. So today we are going to see assertions in regex. So let's get started with today's video. So assertions basically include boundaries or basically which indicates beginning and ending of lines and words and other patterns also that can match like matches possible. So it includes symbol caret, dollar sign, slash b, slash capital B. So these are all word boundaries and starting and ending of input fields. So now let's see this in detail. So now let's see individual characters. So caret means starting of input. Dollar means ending of like any input string that you have passed. Slash B is a word boundary and slash capital B is a negative of that. Now let's get some basics of that. So in square bracket ABCD, that is like matches a range basically that it will match ABCD, and if I'll pass A to Z then it will match all small alphabets A to Z, and if I'll pass capital A to Z then it will be matching like capital A to Z all characters, and 0 to 9 indicates numeric, that is 0 to 9 it will match. So now we will be using website Regex 101 for like testing our rejects. So you can also use for your like any rejects you want to test. So you can use this website. So now let's go and write, let's say one word knowledge as of now. And now let's test our basic, that is let's say A, B, C, D, and with square bracket I'm not going to pass. So here you can see in the right hand side result which all are like matches. So it only matched D. So now let's change this to A hyphen D. So you can see it still matches D. And now let's change that to A to Z. So here you can see it's giving multiple result. It's taking all basically characters. But if we will just pass square bracket A to Z, it will match single character. So now let's check capital A to Z. So there is no capital letter. Now let's change K to capital. So now you can see it's matching one character here. Let's see digit. So let's write 0 to 9. So if I'll write any digit in text string, so you can see now it is taking. And if I'll remove digits, then no matches. So these are some basic regex expressions. So now let's move to assertions. So now let's pass caret and add dollar sign for end of input. So now you can see no match. So think of a regex that will match this word knowledge. So now let's say we will need one capital block because we have one K capital. So let's write capital A to Z. Then we have all small. So all small means A to Z. Now let's say we have multiple letters. So for that we need plus. So plus means one or more time. You can see also explanation in right hand side. So now you can see this regex is matching complete knowledge. But if I'll pass any space and then any text, so it's giving no match. Remove dollar sign, then you can see it's again matching knowledge, because dollar sign means that end of line. So we have removed that, we don't need to check till end of line. So it's just giving wherever till matches there. As of now we have passed two square brackets, so we can combine in one also, we can remove between one and you can create one square bracket here. So now let's check one email ID. So let's say pass underscore also. So if I write underscore, let's say thrusters at the rate gmail.com. So now let's write a regex to match this. So now first indicate that A to Z, if it's their capital letter, and A to Z small letter will be there, it will be matched, and underscore is there, it will be matched. Then we are going to pass at the rate. Then at the rate is there, then after that again A to Z, capital A to Z or small a to Z will be checked, and also with plus. So now that's a right for dot. Now slash dot. So this will match one character dot particular, that dot should be there. and then after that again A to Z should be there, because .com, .in, it can have any like .co.in, whichever like you have email address. Let's change your underscore to hyphen, so you can say now it's not taking, so let's include that also. So now you can say it's taking. So now you can see .in also it's taking, .com also it's taking. So we need to restrict that to, let's say, either 2 characters or let's say 3 characters only. So if we will pass more than that or less than that, it will not take. So if I'll pass more than 3, so it will not take. This email address assumption is very basic. Even I have not checked it any numeric, because it's very possible that email will have numbers there. So it's just a warm up, you can see. So now let's remove this regex and write knowledge thrusters as test string. And now let's check word boundary. So what does that mean? So here you have seen slash b. So that means starting like position of a word boundary. So here I'm passing slash b and after that no. So this will check starting k and then till no, it's checking. So now let's check thrust. Let's pass. So you can see now from starting it's checking of a word. And if I'll pass, let's say ledge, and after that I'll pass b, so it will match from end of that word. So now let's see capital B. So if I'll pass capital B and now, so you can see it's matching. But if I'll pass capital K, so now you can see it's not giving any result, because it will not take any word boundary, like it will be a match a known word boundary. So if I'll pass any inside one instead of K and E, it will match with word inner letters. So now write let's say slash b one more, and inside that let's pass rust. So you can see it's giving result. And if I'll pass thrust, then you can see it's not giving any match, because it will T is a starting of word boundary, so it will not give any result. So now let's see look ahead assertions. So this is like if it will match, let's say x only if x is followed by y. Here let's write reject, let's say e, and after that write question mark equals to, let's say, d. So you can see it's giving, and if I'll go for, let's say, r also, so it's giving the result. So here you can see e is followed by r. So we have negative also of this. So question mark equals to, instead of we will pass explanation mark. So here it will match if it is not like followed by that character. So here we are passing that r, and so it's giving, you can see, e, other two e. We have said that e should not followed by r, so that's why thrusters er is not coming, knowledge one is coming. So now next we have look behind assertions. So now let's pass e after that, and let's change the regex. Write in brackets question mark less than equals to, and after that you will pass your string whichever you want to like see. So here I'm passing L. So you can see it's giving one result, and let's pass T. So you can see it's again giving one result. If I pass G, so it basically checking prefix now. So next we have negative of this look behind assertions as well. So same equals to will be changing with explanation mark. You can say it's giving result, which is not preceded like by G. It's giving other two E. So that's how you can use assertions. So now let's have a quiz, a simple question. So you need to write a regex using assertions to find word knowledge in sentence given below. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic assertions, you can comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.